What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're running a little reaction test, and the test subject, my dad. That's right, I finally got him in the 1400 horsepower M3 Touring before it left my hands for good. Some of you might have seen us training together, maybe caught him in a couple of vids from way back, but trust me, he's never experienced anything like this before. Now, the roads weren't perfect, so I couldn't go too mad, but let's just say this is easily the fastest car he's ever sat in. Stick around to the end to meet the new owner, 27-year-old James, and see what he's saying about this new beast. Let's get into it.
So guys, quick question. Have you ever had a warning light pop up on your dash and have no idea what it means? Carly has to be the easiest way to check your car's health, see what's wrong, and also get estimates on repair costs, all from your mobile phone. Plug the Carly scanner into your car, open the app, and within seconds you know exactly what's going on. And if something needs fixing, Carly gives you a priced estimate so you don't get overcharged at the garage. So you join me in an Audi S3, it's a 2016 model. I've plugged the Carly device into the OBD. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press diagnostics, press continue, and you can see that it will start scanning the car for any potential problems. Obviously this car is nice and clean. You can see 0 issues found, ABS brakes, air conditioning. It goes through everything, passenger door, sound system. Also, if you like to work on your own car, you have a service and maintenance tab. You can even unlock hidden car settings most people don't even know exist. Things like the auto folding mirrors, you know, the annoying auto start stop button, you can have that coded out. You can adjust your lights, the volume of your parking sensors, many more features. So as you can see, it's simple, useful, and can save you money. Use the discount code LLFCarly for 15% off. Click the link in the description and grab your Carly today. Right, so guys, we're outside my dad's work and we're gonna get his reaction to the M3 Touring. Weather's not looking amazing, but it's got to be done, lads. It's got to be done because this is one of the last drives you're going to see in this car. What are you saying, man?
What are you saying?
The man's on camera, innit?
What the fuck?
You know what? When was the last time we filmed? It was the Bentley, innit?
We filmed?
Remember the Bentley Bentayga, innit?
Yeah, we was in the Bentayga.
Yeah, no, it was a photo I did actually on Instagram. I don't know why I got a vision of us outside the yard in the M4, but it was the Bentley Bentayga that we filmed. That's the only video.
Yeah, because you came to my house training one time, innit, with the video.
Yeah, we've done stuff on the other channel, but this is LLF, innit?
All right, I don't know.
I'm looking at the weather, I'm like, yo,
yeah,
it's a bit mad. As in, the whole road's just glazed.
Yeah, so you know, so you can't be doing no foolishness.
Nah, yeah, obviously. Yeah. So I've said that in 700 videos. Yeah. Nah, I'm joking.
I'm trying to reach some new levels out here. I don't want to end it right now.
Well, I never took you on a GTR, did I? Not that this is the GTR, but you know, on the street.
No, but obviously I had the GTR for a week or 2
week.
I had it
for ages.
Yeah, I had that for ages.
You owned the car for a while. And then it went off to get built, didn't it?
Yeah,
and then you
that's right. Yeah, I looked after it, and then you took it, and then it came back as something else, and you didn't give back to it.
It's not even that, man. Yeah, it's there is almost a different instruction to a car built like that, definitely.
Well, this just looks like normal, innit? It doesn't. The problem with was it the GTR that had all the buttons? The GTR had all the buttons all over the place, didn't it?
It did, yeah. Everywhere. Yeah,
this
is similar though. Look.
No, this is straightforward.
Yeah,
this looks
straightforward.
straightforward.
You've got all them buttons there, all these buttons here.
This looks all straightforward to me.
Originally,
I need to know where to drive.
Yeah, no. Originally, this car used to bug me. I'm not gonna lie. See if it moves. See if it kicks in. So in the back.
That was pretty quick.
Yeah, that was pretty good. My dad's trying to keep cool now, innit? So I took him out in the Quattro. If any of you remember the red Quattro, like, remember?
The red, oh
I
shit,
never felt boost like that.
That tin.
Right, tin. Yeah, that thing was like an elastic band. Crazy.
What you said about the weather, I used to remember that.
Oh, that's why I didn't even flatten it then. I was just like... Oh, it was.
And remember, it's me and you, innit? Me and you were like at that point, innit?
Obviously, man.
I know, so you got
trying to stay positive.
Neo, you got Neo and Jaden still, but you know. See, man's all gone blind, you know that? Man can't even reach it. Man needs to wear glasses and shit.
Yeah.
Don't know what's happening, man. People are saying I'm getting old and shit. I'm saying, nah, that's bullshit, man. There's something wrong with the fucking...
Something wrong with the screen.
I mean... Go on. Brakes seem a bit... They need to warm up or something.
That little bit of slip is traction. It doesn't feel like it's spinning, but every time the wheels are spinning, you're not getting that sort of G-force, if you know what I mean. See what it's like. Yeah. It spins up. Controllable, isn't it?
Well, you control it well. You control it well. But that was... You're not... Oh, shit. I didn't even chat about the M3 still.
M3?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
No, because like you have to be used to that kind of. You gonna what's this?
I'm spinning it around.
All right. I'm gonna say this fucking look like some back road business.
Actually, no, we probably want to go that way back to wherever we're going. To be fair. Yeah, it feels like the power's holding back slightly.
Is that actually gripping?
No.
I was gonna say because
That's what I'm saying. It's not pulling. It's not gonna.
yeah, there's nothing. I'm not getting that.
Yeah.
Not that I'm looking for that, but I'm not
But
getting
that's
it.
what you'd get if it was dry.
Yeah.
And I can feel it. You can feel the torque.
So.
We'll go back that way if we've got to go good more.
All right.
So as you can see, my dad's out here fully trying to bluff it, acting like he didn't feel all that power, but we know the truth. Anyway, next stop, VG Performance. That's where the M3 Touring ended up. Sold it to the owner Ricky, who told me he was going to keep it and daily it. But you know how it goes with these dealers, everything's always for sale. Let's go see what he's saying.
Sounds mean, doesn't it?
I have had a revision sent to me, which will load up.
Yeah.
The only thing is, he's turned it down to 29. I need to tell him, you want it still at 33, don't you?
Would you feel the difference at 29 to 33?
Yeah.
All right, I definitely want 33.
Yeah. But obviously for the tuner, it's just more safety for him. Got a barrel of ethanol in there, so if you want to throw some E in it, just so you can feel it.
Never feel it in this weather.
Yeah. Guys, man, this is the new owner of my M3, man. Fucking hell. So what are you going to do? You're going to keep it, run it for a bit, or?
Hopefully, yeah. That's the plan.
Yeah.
You know me, I buy and sell cars, but I like cool things, and do you know what, even from the first time I saw it on your channel,
Yeah.
I was like, I hope he does a giveaway, and I hope they take the cash alternative, and then it will give me an opportunity to buy it.
Mate, it's a car and a half, man.
Where do you ever find one of these?
So I've had it all serviced, oil, all the filters, it's all on the computer, so
The heart of the beast.
the only thing you can do is upgrade the injectors.
I've been following this, even to the point when you went to, where'd you go, Texas, didn't
Texas,
you?
yeah,
Texas, yeah. New location, so we needed a bigger showroom.
How's it going? Yeah, you said a guy came.
Yeah,
from...
it's going to Tokyo, Bentley Bentayga. I was going to give it to the wife, but she wasn't really a fan of it.
The RS4's nice.
Someone's actually coming later today.
Oh, okay. It looks
Yeah.
just right, just if it was white or black. I swear there's always a thing about red cars, isn't there?
Yeah, this one, 1100 horsepower.
I was considering saying, should we do a swap?
Mate,
But
that thing there, I've not driven your M3, I've seen how quick it is, but
Yeah, no, this
these
is going to be
Porsches,
lighter, isn't it? Yeah. And it looks nice as well, those wheels. What are they? They're not factory, are they? They're
No.
some sort of lightweight wheels.
Yep.
It's just the exhaust, isn't it? Is for anyone that knows.
there you go, that's it. Yeah.
It's fucking sick.
I nearly forgot to mention, I didn't just sell the Touring, I did a deal against a new shape Audi RS3. As soon as I saw it, I just thought, yeah, that's a bit of me. Let me know what you lot think. Was it a good move or nah?
Mate, that is fucking lovely, isn't it?
Yeah,
Mate,
it's
look at that. Wow.
they're so aggressive, aren't they?
Bro. What the?
It's the front end of them. I actually really, I think the front end, let me move all these boxes out of the way. The front ends just look so aggressive.
That's got to be like the baddest one out there, isn't it?
Yeah. No, I haven't seen another one with these wheels, the kit.
So what's the spec on this? And it's got about 18,000 miles. It's got the Maxton bits lowered. Is it? Did you say it's had a tuning box or something?
Yeah. So it's got a tuning box. Let me just show you under here. Even Venturi carbon intake.
Oh wow, nice.
Which is their full intake system.
Oh wow.
There
Nice.
she is.
Exhaust mod or no?
Yeah, it's got a Miltech on it as well.
Oh mate, you're gonna make me keep this thing.
What I've been told by the previous owner is they have now got unlocked ECUs.
Yes, that's
so
right.
before, when he bought this with 12 miles on it from factory from Audi.
Yeah.
They actually charged him 12 grand over list. 78 grand. He reckons his car owes him nearly 100 grand on an RS3.
Fuck. This is my spec. This is me all over. You know that?
Yeah, it is. Well,
Thanks,
actually.
man. MSB, if you're watching, bro, I'm coming for you, G. You always know the sound of a Miltech, you know that? They all sound the same, don't they?
They're very tinny, aren't they?
I love them though, personally.
Yeah.
Got a Miltech on the 1M as well. That is seriously nice.
So from the other place now, we're probably 20-minute drive.
Yeah, closer to home or
I
further?
live 5 minutes away. This one here is going to historic auctions. It's the only, I would say, there's not many R34 GTRs that are completely standard anymore, left untouched.
They all do, man.
I.e. there's one in the corner there. So this is a HKS demo car. Underneath is brand new. It's not even a registered UK car yet. There's some absolute bargains out there. The R34s, you can pick them up for under £100,000 now, and before they were up there. That's my son's car.
Your son, yeah? How'd you boy then?
6. He won't let me sell it. He won't let me sell it.
That's my son's car.
Listen to this. Do you know what he said to me? I said, look, he's into his roadblocks, you know, like they do and all of that.
Yeah.
I said, do you want to sell it? They're going to give you roadblocks. He said, yeah, let it go. Bless him.
Anyway, that's Ricky, the owner of VG Performance, top guy, but I had to laugh because a few days later, while I was in the middle of editing this video, I get a message on Instagram saying, Ricky, I've just bought your M3 Touring. So I jumped on a call, had a nice chat, and thought, what a better way to end this video. For anyone who wants to keep up with the car, meet James, the new owner of my M3 Touring.
Man like James, what are you telling me, bro?
Good, man. I'm good. Excited for the build, man.
I didn't think I was like gonna see this car again, man.
No, it's on the scene. It's on the scene.
Yeah. And you know the funniest thing is, you messaged me what, a couple of weeks before you trying to sell me your M3 Touring, innit?
I had the DNA's 1,000 horsepower M3 Touring, but I wanted to go single.
Yeah.
So I thought, you know what? Instead of going single turbo on my car, it made more sense to actually buy this one because it's got everything: stage 3 box, single turbo, fully built engine,
everything.
It's got everything.
So have you seen any of my videos or?
Yeah, I've seen
the videos. Yeah,
I've seen every single video about this M3 Touring.
Sick.
I think you got at least 6 or 7 videos.
Guys, James, he's like 27 years old. 27, isn't it, James?
27, yeah.
Madman. 1400 rate, yeah?
Yeah, man, yeah.
And I always said that the person that's this car's gonna make sense is for someone who's about to go in.
Exactly.
If you're about to spend the money, this makes too much sense.
Exactly. It was a no-brainer. It was a no-brainer. Obviously, the Touring I had before was, geez, man, it was fucking fast. And
I can't believe you're 27.
Yeah,
guys,
He's 27 years old. Bro, I'm 37.
Do you know what I'm saying? And I see you at Cirques today as well, James.
Yeah, we're looking to do 1 or 2, you know. Get ready for.
Yeah. So you actually gonna? What are you thinking? You're gonna hold on to the car? You're gonna like what's?
Look, I mean, what do you get next? There's literally four doors estate. I personally, I think the G81 is just the best looking car in my opinion.
100%, man.
As a family daily, it just looks so cold, especially in a satin black. It just, I mean, look at it.
Come on, man. Obviously, guys, I took the one LLF off. She's on another car, which I will be revealing to you lot shortly. But wow, man, like James. So yeah, you're gonna send her to the moon. So obviously I already sent it, like pushed it, but yeah, like there was more to do with this car. I spoke to James in depth about all of the background of the car, why it took me how long to do certain things. But you're in the good hands, man. Cirques, obviously motorsport.
Yeah. With this car, it's just a top end. Monster.
As I say, this car was spec'd with a G42 1200, which is the equivalent of the 72 75.
Yeah.
But I wanted to offset the weight.
That's the only way you're going to offset against
a
saloon or an M4 because of the weight.
But I think about 85 kilos heavier.
Yeah, I think it's. I mean, because you got the ceramics, they're a little bit lighter, so it may be a little less. But
but I mean, it's to me, I think the GA1 looks better.
Yeah, come on, bro. There's no doubt in it. Because I had the M4, I was going to send the M4 to the moon.
Yeah.
And I'm like, fuck that, let me do a tour in, innit?
Yeah, I think, this done a 3.2.
Done a 3.2,
so this is the world's fastest M3 touring.
100 bro, I did a 9.1 second on the street, bro. Like, there's way more in this, man. Exactly. I think personally this got 8788 pretty easy. You just got to get off the line, and as I said, I did that at 40 psi as well. So
this could be 50 psi or more.
Bro, when you feel this on 50, brother, forget it.
I think
even 40, bro, I got the barrel at the unit, man. I feel like fucking slapping it in for you quick. But anyway, well, I don't know what more to say really, guys. Just thought I'd show you the new owner. You're a G, man. 27 years old, bro. 1400 brake touring. Yeah. You know it's more than 1400, isn't it? It's more like. Because I think it's more 15, bro.
It dynoed 1250 about 6.5.
That's right, yeah. I think it would be close to 1300. I don't know, because like 6,500, bro. They rev out to 7,000, 8,000.
I think they do a 12% or 15% conversion.
Yeah, it depends on what you want to do, innit?
50, maybe.
Exactly. If you want to do American 20%, it's over.
Yeah.
So you're gonna keep it, tune it up.
Yeah, keep it, tune it up.
You even talking about hitting up some events and that as well?
Yeah, take out to some events, see how she...
You gotta represent, my brother.
Have to represent, yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
But James, love, man. I'll leave your Instagram. What is your Instagram for anyone that wants to follow the car,
James
baby?
Ottosanya. No spaces, just James Ottosanya, all lowercase. Yeah, that's...
Wicked, man. I'll make sure to put the link in.
So if anyone wants to follow the build...
Yes.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm gonna be watching, bro. I'm gonna be watching. Love, James. Respect, brother.
Nice to see you, man.
Cool, man.
Yeah, take care.
Yo, what's a right or a left turn? Lamborghini make the heads turn. Enough fuel for the next journey. Man's wheels spinning, got the heads turning. Exhaust smoke like a fire burning. Just bought a bin, my man's buying German. Park where I want, didn't buy a permit. Wanna join the team, then buy a jersey. Full tank full of gas lead. We on